Hey, what's up? Really quickly, if you're a new real estate agent, really pay attention to this message, okay? So there's an industry that everyone's been sleeping on, okay? I bet you've never heard about it, right? It's called apartment locating. So what this is, if you've never heard about apartment locating, pay attention, okay? We're brokering everyday normal rentals. So what's the most common multifamily structure, okay? Is it a duplex? Is it a townhome? Is it a penthouse? No, it's a regular apartment complex, okay? But did you know that you can actually refer tenants over to apartment complexes and receive a month out of the 12-month contract? I Googled this like a week ago, okay? And I realized that there's just a couple thousand apartment locators like around the whole nation, like in every state of the United States, right? When you compare that to how many realtors there are, there's like 1 million realtors. And I think the reason no one knows about this industry and how lucrative it is because the commissions aren't that high, right? We're talking $1,000, $2,000 per transaction. But the most amazing part, and the part that I think no one is realizing, is that you can do these transactions literally month by month, every single month, like on autopilot, and just broker, 10, 20, 30 deals every single month. So it's not the amount of commission that's really, really attractive. It's the quantity. It's how many times you can broker these deals. Last December, I did over 30 deals, okay?
Over 30 deals.
Even if you're a mediocre, even if you're bad at this business and you're just referring 8 tenants to apartment complexes, the average commission here in Texas is like $1,200. Just do 8 times whatever $1,200 is. That's your monthly income. Multiply that by 12. So even if you're mediocre at this job, you're getting an idea of how much of a full-time income you can make, especially as a new real estate agent. So if you want to learn more about what the heck I'm talking about, if you've never heard about how you can broker apartment rentals from home as long as you have like a laptop and a cell phone, then I invite you to click the button below. I'm hosting a free comprehensive training that breaks down this business model so you can learn more, right? So the worst case scenario, you just learned about a sub niche within real estate that I bet you've never heard about, okay? Best case scenario, this might change your whole entire life. So click the button below, and I hope to see you in the inside.